Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show or hide the caller ID phone number settings on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen, and you want to select the phone app on this page. Select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner, and you want to select the settings button that appears. And now there should be a caller ID and spam section underneath assistive. Go ahead and select that. And if you want to enable caller ID and spam ID, you can toggle this on or off just by toggling that on or off at the top right here. Very easy process on how to do that. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.